GIS. We are here at a play in the day, the museum experience, and you're going to see the first presentation by our children's group. They did a tour in the interactive museum and all the museum, really and truly. So now they're going to put together, what was your theme? Tell us quickly, what was your theme? Looking at sustainability, something to do with sea turtles and preserving them.
Yeah.
Preserving the marine life. So, coral crisis was their theme.
Today is a good sunny day.
You want to eat that?
Why?
I'm a flying fish, you're a turtle. And sorry, but that's plastic. And if you eat it, you're going to choke and die.
What was the thing that was dropped in the ocean? Plastic bottle. What, and one of the main characters was what type of animal?
A human.
A human? And then flying fish, and what else? Turtle. And the turtle went to do what?
Eat the plastic.
What would have happened if that would have happened? It would choke on the plastic. Now, what's the takeaway message? When you go to the beach, what don't you do? Do not. Right. So you see these same plastic bottles we gave you today with water. What's the last thing he told you when you finished with it? Do what? Fabulous.